you guys, it's Sarah, and I just finished filming a tutorial on how I always finish my looks with my contour and highlight and blush and lipstick and setting spray. And I meant to record this look and my camera wasn't on, so sadness, but I will try recording it again later. But for now, I'm getting ready to go to dinner, so I'm going to take this off. Figured I'd show you guys how I remove my makeup. So to remove my makeup, I just use regular old makeup wipes. Woohoo. So these are the Equate Beauty Pink Grapefruit Oil-Free Cleansing Towelettes with 100% naturally derived grapefruit extract, suitable for blemish-prone skin. So I use this, and I always start with my lips, and my favorite thing to do with my lips is I stretch out my wipe a little bit, and I just go that doesn't get all of it off, but it's fun to do. And you can see kind of have like a mustache going on. Anyways, so I always get my lipstick off first, especially if it's like an Anastasia lipstick. They're harder to get off, and they usually transfer to the rest of your skin. So as you can see around my mouth, it transferred onto my skin, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. And then I always take my wipe on my finger like this and draw shapes in my foundation, like hearts, hello, or smiley faces. You can't see that one as well, but it's just kind of funny to me how the foundation just like swoop vanishes, swoop, 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 swoop. So after that, I just take my wipe and I kind of go at it. I just get everything off. And sometimes I do need more than one wipe, which I feel like I probably will today. And as y'all can see, I'm having some acne issues kind of down here. It's finals week, so I have been stressed, so that is completely plausible as to why I'm breaking out a little bit. But the semester's almost over, so I'm a happy camper. And this green eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, this freaking green eyeshadow, it does not like to come off, and it makes me look sick, but you know, that's fine. Okay, and then after I've done an initial wipe down with one wipe, this is what it looks like. Ew, right? I know. So I'm gonna go in with another wipe and make sure I got everything. Ooh, so now we're actually going to go on an adventure. So, adventure in my college dorm. Ooh, magic. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna hold the phone because people might think I'm crazy if they see me talking to my phone. So we are in my closet right now. I'm just getting my rag and my face wash. So this is the Equate Oil-Free Acne Scrub Salicylic Acid Acne Medication. Helps fight breakouts with naturally derived pink grapefruit extract. So this matches the wipes that I was using. I just have my rag, and we're gonna go wash my face because that's always my next step. So I don't know if you guys could understand me, but there was someone in there, and I was like trying my hardest not to get her on camera, but it probably happened. So I'm gonna have to go in and edit out wherever she pops up because I do not have her consent to put her on the internet. So I'm just gonna put my stuff up and sit back down and set you guys back up. There we go. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, so now that was fun. That was an adventure. I kind of like set you guys up against the sink. So, I mean, I don't think anyone saw me recording, but you know. Okay, so now actually what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Mary Kay. This is the Time Wise Age Fighting Moisturizer. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and put it all around because washing my face does dry it out a little bit. So just use this. Get some moisture back in my face. Then I'm taking my Mary Kay Time Wise Night Solution, and this is kind of like a gel and it has a bunch of vitamins in it. I want to say it has vitamin, but it's like all these little beads. Oh, it is 3 different vitamins, but it's like all these little beads. There's blue, pink, and white ones, and they're all like little beads of vitamin, and when they get pulled up into their little like pump, they get crushed so that the vitamin is like more fresh. I'm just again applying this all over my face, not just for hydration but also for just general skincare. It's very important to give your skin the vitamins and nutrients that it needs to be healthy and glowy. And if I hadn't done a face mask like the night before last, I would probably do a face mask as well. See when I did do a face mask. I did a face mask on Saturday and today's Monday, so I'll probably do a face mask tomorrow. And when I do one tomorrow, I'll probably do a restoring face mask. So this one right here, it has collagens in it because I have been doing my makeup quite a bit lately, and usually I use like all hydrating face masks, but I feel like just with my breakouts and kind of putting stress on my skin, it is time for a restorative face mask. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. And then finally I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. lip exfoliator. This is in the like flavor, I guess, cherry tart. And what I like about this is it comes with a little lip balm. You just pop out the bottom, but this is just sugar and it tastes really good. It works really well. So I'm just gonna exfoliate. But yeah, so this has been a little get unready with me, I guess is what they call them. And I hope you guys enjoy kind of this like look into me not having a whole bunch of makeup off on and me actually taking my makeup off. But yeah, and so if you guys want to see more videos like this, like maybe my favorite skincare products, you know, you basically saw them all, but you know, my favorite skincare, how I, you know, take care of my skin on a day-to-day basis, not just when I'm doing makeup. But yeah, stuff like that, just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you did like this video, comment down below what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Share this video with your friends. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and the little bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I think that is it. Is that my spiel? That's my spiel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.